Good evening, students. Today I am coming to the topic why democracy, and in that we are going to discuss about the merit of democracy. When we talk about debating on merits of democracy, we say that democracy is the better form of government because, in spite of other forms of government, we get many benefit in this democracy. The question comes first of all that why the people struggle movement took place in entire world for the establishment of democracy. These questions already explains that more than 196 countries in the world today which testing the democracy are liking the democracy. Reason is that in democracy we get all those 6 fundamental rights which you have already studied in class 8 and you will study also in class 9 when we'll come to the chapter 3 constitutional design. When we talk about liberty, in fundamental rights lots of liberty we get. In that freedom of speech and expression, freedom of accepting a religion of other religions, cultural and educational rights, right to equality, such type of liberty we get it. And this we get only in a democratic country when we form a democracy. In that case, in democracy, the biggest thing is that it enhances the dignity of the citizen. Enhances the dignity means every individual, either small, big or old, they are at home, they are in society, they are in this country. Each one of them are born with dignity, born with self-respect. Either they are in majority, either they are in minority, either they are in different lower caste, or either they are coming in sex differences, male or a female, either boy or a girl, man or a woman. Every person fights for the dignity, which calls the self-respect. And this self-respect a person gets and fights for it only in a democratic country. Suppose a person is working in a institution or either in a bank or either he's working in any government sector, and some of the majority of people who are working there, they are coming from high caste, and there are handful of, you can say, people who are working in that sector, private or a public sector, they are coming from the minority caste or sub-Dalit caste. And if they started commenting the majority on them by using different types of words, slang words, on the basis of their caste and creed, that will hamper that person's dignity. And this is says and talks in democracy that when an individual will be danger on the matter of his dignity or his self-respect is not been respected in the society, that person, according to the fundamental rights, he will put an FIR or he will ask for his dignity to get back. And the law, the constitution, which already we know that is a set of rule and regulation through which a country is guided and ruled. It will take every individual, either a prime minister, president, chief minister, district collector, to a rickshaw puller, to a common man, everyone is equal in front of the constitution. And wherever any of them, any of person coming from any caste, creed or religion, if their dignity is in danger or they are humiliated, they will get their right back with the giving the punishment to the person who has or who will enhance the dignity of that individual. And it is one of the most fruitful things in a democracy. Not only that, in a democracy, it allows to correct own mistakes. Government has taken some steps, and many times it has been seen that government is in a majority, is in a full mood to make some law to suppress some section of people, or try to remove the reservation policies, or to overlap any minorities. In that case, if the government realize that no, on the matter of every individual or section of people, they are going to be face danger in country, they will feel themselves isolation in this nation. And if the government is not going to see its ego, government is not going to see its personal gratitude that what will happen if I will take my own law back. No. If you step out on the favor of any section of people, it will show a fruitful result of a best democratic country in the world. And it will be able to prove that this nation, that democratic country, has enhanced the right to its citizens. It guides and protects to its citizens, either they are coming from majority or minority. So my dear children, today in the topic of merit of democracy, we have many things to say in the society. So when you are taking up any questions further in your life, that always remember that the government has to be legitimate. The government has to be enhance the dignity of the citizens. And the government, if it corrects its own mistakes, that democratic countries will be one of the best democratic country. And other country will follow it in a fruitful manner. In my next class, I will come with the topic, argument against democracy.